Hey guys, so I have a 2003 Ford Expedition XLT, and what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be changing the mass airflow sensor. So since we're going to be working with electrical, we're going to have to disconnect battery. So we're going to have to remove the positive and the negative. It should be located within like this section, so we're going to be removing it. Flathead to remove this. Okay, so I already removed it, and the clamp's in there, and it looks like this. These two screws, and I'm gonna remove it right now so you can see it. This is how it looks. This is the old one. It has a mark right here. This is a new one. I got this at Amazon. The parts right here. So this is the new one. And this is the old one. See, they both look the same. So this was the old one. Now I'm gonna put the new one. See, it only goes this way. Screws. Hand tight. Now we're gonna use this. Now I'm ready to install. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I will be making more videos of your 2003 Ford Expedition.